Welcome back to the third video in this short series. In this one, we're going to go through the process of using the TMX Import and Upload tool in order to prep the MX7 data for use in Trimble MX Publisher, TMX Publisher. So I'll just go on and start this one. When it starts off, we're just in the global WGS84, so I'll click that and I'm going to change that over to the datum that I'm working in. So I'll just find Australia and come down to this one, 7855. Alright, now here I don't have any mobile mapping resources that I've defined in inside of Trimble MX at the moment. So I get a little plus and I'm going to create a mapping resource. Okay, so I'm going to come in. I've got a few different mapping resources we can create. We're going to go with the mobile one. We need to pop it into a directory. So I'll just navigate to where I have it on the desktop in this case. I like to keep it all together. Now, you can have these stored in a central location. Usually this would be somewhere that's going to be referenced as part of the permanent storage. So if you were hosting Trimble MX Publisher and it's going to be there for a long time, this is where you'd be storing the imagery and this information, and that might be a server or a NAS drive or something similar so that it's in that spot. In this case, desktop's probably not ideal, but just for today's example, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I think I've gone and doubled up here with giving it that name inside of that folder, but that's okay. With this, we choose the template so that it knows what is going to be coming in here. In this case, we're importing MX7 equi-rectangular. That's what we pushed out from Trimble Business Center. A little bit more efficient, a little bit quicker to do that export when we're converting from the raw formats. So we'll create that one. That gives us this. And if we have a look over here, yeah, I have doubled up. When we look at this, put it in here, created the folder, and then I've created the subfolder. That's okay. Now, need to give it some information, so we'll import the trajectory, and we'll go in and choose the file here. So go up a couple of folders, and Trimble MX export from TBC. This has got the trajectory as a CSV there. So I'll open up that one, then we'll go back. Import a trajectory, panorama locations, open up that one. And so now we've got this dropping into the right spot here. It's buffering on the network. And here we need to move those images, and so that's why I had this up already. So I'm going to take, don't need to take those, all of these images, and we're going to take those across into Panorama 1, original, and we'll paste them there. That's all done. Now, if we want to have a look in here, we can go to the mobile mapping one, open view, and if we click over there, it just gives us the images coming through in here, and just like navigating through our Google Maps, we're able to hit the dots, and this gives us a little preview of what we're going to have available for us when we're actually into the MX Publisher instance online. So what you're able to do here, in a simplified view, is what will be available for MX Publisher. With that, we're done at this point. We can shut this down and we'll move on to configuring Trimble MX Publisher in the next video.